Hello everybody, this is Peter Tusick with Humanware coming at you with another snapshot tutorial video. This one is going to be on copying files, so surely the new Key Files app is a massive improvement now that we have the integration of cloud storage. I did a video on navigating the new Key Files as well as videos on copying and sharing and moving, and all of these things will be here. So this one is on copying. Certainly we would encourage you to look at all of the videos, give them a listen, give them a watch. That way you'll be able to really apply all of these updates and look at what's going on and bring yourself up to speed. All right, I am on the main menu. I want to copy a file, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to copy from my internal storage over to Google Drive. These steps, just as with moving, will be applicable for moving between or copying between any modes of storage. So a thumb drive, a USB drive, an SD card, or in my case, going from internal storage to the cloud. You could also use this going from one cloud folder to another, or from one internal storage folder to another. I'm on the main menu. I'm going to press the letter F to open the File Manager.
File Manager. Key
So we
Files.
move our focus here, and I'm going to press Enter to open this up.
Key Files.
All right. Now, as we saw when we did the navigation video, I am placed in the last folder I used, but it doesn't really matter. I'm going to press D as in Drive, D with space to come up to Drive Selection.
Drive Selection.
And at this point, I want to open my storage folder. I'm going to find the Science folder, which is located inside storage, and we're going to copy a file from there into Google Drive. So I'm going to press the letter S to move to Storage.
Storage.
And I'm going to press Enter
33.89 gigabytes free.
to open this up. And again, it's going to tell you how much space we have remaining on our storage drive. In my case, 33.89 gigabytes, very specific. I'm going to press Enter here.
Notes.
And I'm in my storage folder. And again, we have a video on folder management. So I do have a Science folder that I've created. And I'm going to find it by pressing the letter S.
The Science folder.
Here is Science. Science! So I'm going to press Enter to open up the Science folder, and we will see a file.
Science Test December 17th. Docs.
Now this is, the name of the file is Science Test December 17th.docx, although it was modified on March 19th of 2020, so clearly I opened this up after I saved it on December 17th of whatever year I may have. But in this case, I want to copy. I don't want to move. I want to copy this file from where it is here in my internal storage over to Google Drive. So maybe you have a shared folder in Drive or Dropbox, or you'd like to get this out of storage. The copy command is located in your context menu. If I press space with the letter M as in menu, I would open the context menu and look at all of the different commands that I can perform on this file when it is in focus. If we do that, so space with M.
Context menu. New folder. Space within.
Again, we have lots of options here. New folder, mark, mark all, delete, copy is one of them. So if I press the letter C,
Copy to. Backspace with Y.
we will hear that the copy to command is backspace with Y. So again, I can press Enter here, or next time I'm just focused on a file or I've marked multiple files, I can press backspace with Y to copy them. Going to press Enter here on copy.
Key Files.
Now, just like
Copy
when we
to.
moved our files, we get a copy to dialog. So there's no more copy and then paste. We're going to copy it. We're going to select where we want it to go, and then we're going to action that copy. So I am now in Key Files. I want to locate the drive, locate the folder, or locate the area where I want to copy this file. So I'm going to press D with space to come up to Drive Selection.
Drive Selection.
And now I want to open my Google Drive. So I'm going to press the letter D until I hear Drive, followed by the account that I like. I have two Google Drive accounts here, and again, they will all show up in Key Files, depending on what you have added to your unit. I'm going to press D until I find
Document. Download. Drive. Drive.
my personal Google Drive, and I'm going to press Enter.
My Drive.
Now,
Folder.
again, Drive is broken up, as we saw in the navigation video. Drive is broken up into different sections. We have My Drive, and we have Shared with Me. I'm going to press Enter here on My Drive,
List. App files.
and I am now placed in my various folders. Your drive will look very different from mine, but I'm placed in my folders that are available to me on my Google Drive based on what I've created or what has been shared with me or moved around. So I'm going to press the letter S to find my Science folder here.
Science. Folder.
It says Science folder, so I pressed S, I find Science folder, I press Enter,
No items.
and there's nothing in here. Now, if I press 4-6 with Enter and jump to the very bottom right corner of my screen, I will have a copy button. there will be an option that says copy, and I can press enter. Alternatively, if I don't want to do that, there is a shortcut that I mentioned in the move video and is also in the save video. We can press backspace with A to action the button. So if I just press backspace with A, it will activate that copy button. Of course, I could always come down and find copy and press enter, or in this case, I can press backspace with A.
Copying files.
We get a copying files dialog.
Science test December
And now
7th.
that file has been copied. So right now I'm placed back where I was. So I'm in my storage drive looking at my science folder, and I see that I have my science test and it was modified in March of 2020 and whatnot. However,
Bottom.
if I press D with space
Drive selection.
and I reopen Drive here,
Documents. Downloads. Drive.
and then I come into my drive,
My drive.
and then I come into
list. App
Science,
Files. Full science.
you will see
Folder
the file.
Science test December 17th. Docs. 1036M.
And we see that this was uploaded at 10:36 a.m. If I check my time,
1037M.
it's 10:37 a.m. So you'll see that this file was just placed in this folder that was previously empty. So now I have a copy of this file. Again, this works to move between folders, to move between drives, to move, to external storage like a thumb drive or an SD card. You find the file or mark the files you'd like to copy. Backspace with Y is the copy command. Locate where you would like them to go using your navigation commands, and then backspace with A to action that copy, or you can press 4-6 with enter to move to the bottom of the place you'd like to copy them and press enter on the copy button. This has been a quick snapshot tutorial on copying files. Again, lots of improvements here to Keysoft in terms of, especially with the file manager, but also key slides, new document preview, language table support, and all sorts of things. So please look at all of these snapshot tutorials. We hope you find these helpful, and I will be back with more soon. Thank you, friends.